Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with this super colorful half cut crease eye makeup tutorial. I was wearing this look in my last video and so many of you requested to create this look, so I just decided to make a tutorial on this look. This can be your haldi ceremony makeup look, or nowadays so many brides are opting for colorful looks, so this can be your bridal look as well. And I have hooded eyes, so along the way I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease on hooded eyes. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I have done my brows off camera and now I'm priming my eyelids using my Maybelline Age Divine Concealer in the shade medium, and I'm just blending it out using a damp sponge. I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link it down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. In that video, I have shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows. Now I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking the shade called Crazy from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and with this small fluffy blending brush from Morphe again, I'm just applying it on my crease, actually slightly above my crease. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid. So I'm kind of creating a new crease for myself and taking little by little product. I'm just slowly building it out to avoid any kind of patchiness. Though it's looking a little harsh, a little patchy right now, but don't worry, it will all look perfect. And yeah, I'm just slowly just blending it out. Now I'm mixing these two shades together and I'm just blending out the edges to create a nice smooth gradient effect from a darker shade to a lighter shade. And for that I'm using my e.l.f. blending brush, and again I'm just slowly just blending it out. Just take your time and slowly blend it out and it will all be blended perfectly. Remember, blending is the key of a perfect eye look, so take your time and blend it out. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I am using this lip brush from Puna Store and taking the same concealer. I'm just cutting my crease, and you can see I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher than usual because I'm creating a new crease for myself. If you have hooded eyes, always try to place the concealer a little higher. And you can see I am just slowly cutting my crease using small strokes, and I'm just reapplying the concealer again. I'm just blending out the concealer with the same sponge. I'm taking this matte black shade from the palette and I'm applying it on my outer V area, mainly concentrating on my outer V area. Again, taking little by little product, I'm just blending it out so that there is no patchiness. Now I'm taking this bluish purple shade from the palette and I am just applying it right next to the black shade, and it was a little bit patchy. I don't know why. The other day when I was using this particular shade from one of my bridal makeup, I also noticed the same thing. It was a little patchy and a little hard to blend. So yeah. Now I'm taking this vibrant pink shade called Party On and I'm applying it. I'm just placing it next to the purple shade, and for that I'm using a fluffy like flat fluffy brush, and I'm just kind of placing the color first and then I'm blending it out. Now I'm taking My Man, which is a vibrant coral orange color, and I'm applying it next to the previous shade, and again I'm just applying it in a same way. That means I'm first placing the color and then I'm blending it out. This is a proper way of applying any kind of matte eyeshadow on your eyelid. And now I'm taking this Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade Floatal, I believe, and I'm applying it right here on my inner corner. Now taking a glitter eyeliner, I'm just applying it on the border of that cut crease to make it look prominent. And whenever I do this step, I always become nervous because if I screw up at this stage, there is no going back. I have to remove the whole eye makeup again, and I have to start all over again. So whenever I do this step, I always become nervous. And now with my Wet n Wild makeup liner in black, I'm just drawing a wing here. And you guys probably know that this is my favorite drugstore eyeliner, and I always use it. I don't know how many of them I have gone through. This is my absolute favorite eyeliner. I'm just tight lining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner pencil in this shade Jet Black. Again, it's my favorite and I use it all time. Taking the shade called Crazy, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using an angled brush from Puna Store. And I'm making my lower lash line a bit smokier. It will give my eyes a bigger looking appearance. Now taking that purple shade, I'm just applying it right here on the border of the previous shade, and taking Party On, I'm applying it right next to the purple shade. Now I'm taking this matte yellow shade from the palette and I'm applying it right here on my inner corner. Basically, I'm just following the same pattern that I followed for my eyelid. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. I'm curling my natural lashes with my Revlon eyelash curler, and I'm just applying a coat of mascara. And for that, I'm using my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara, and I'll be using falsies off camera. For that, I'll be using my Kiss lashes in this style Midnight. And here is the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. According to me, it's super colorful, super wearable at the same time. The only bummer is that purple shade. It was a bit patchy. Other than that, I truly loved how the entire look came together. Please let me know your thoughts, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.